Alright, this one needs a fuel filter. You can see it. This is full. It's time to change it. And it's getting this fuel filter in there. It's got an air leak. Needs an air filter. So we'll be doing all that today. Alright, I'm going to put the air filter in here first. I got to take this whole housing off. What the hell that was about. I'm going to take this whole housing off because I got to get to the EGR differential pressure sensor. Clean out the ports. These are 8 millimeters to change out the air filter. So let's get that knocked out, and then I'm going to take the whole box off. Old one, new one.